Hi guys, it's Steffi from the Novelty Corner, and October is over and I'm so sad, but that does mean the start of a new month, which means new monthly planner decoration pages. So I'm going to get straight into this video, and I'm not going to dwell on the fact that I have to take all of my fun little Halloween goodies off my planner now because I really don't have an excuse in November. But I thought I'd show you what I was going to use first. So first up, I'm going to use the Studio L2E Iconic Seasons stamp. I'm probably going to use the little flower. It is spring here in Australia. I'm also going to be using the Citrus Twist stamp. I don't know if that's focusing, but I'll probably be using the Enjoy stamp. My sticker theme for this month is going to be these fun feathers from Violet LeBeau, and I'll pop a link to these in her store down below. I've actually had these for ages, so I thought I'm going to use them up. And the last time I put in an order with her, she also sent me some fun little freebies, so I think this kind of matches the colour scheme of the feathers, and my sister's birthday is this month, so I might just use one of the little cupcakes to mark that. And as for washi, I thought because the feathers are quite bright, I would try and stick to some neutrals, so I'm probably thinking this craft paper with white dots and maybe this one with the gold stripes, or maybe the silver. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how I go. So that is everything, and I'm going to get straight into the video.